Hello everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today guys I show you how I solving 6x6 Rubik's Cube. So let's scramble first as much as we can. Okay, so let's keep going that scrambling. A little bit more. Okay, that I think should be maybe a little bit more. Just make 100% sure it's scramble. Okay, it's look like proper scramble. Okay guys, so first what I'm doing is centers or middles, whatever you call. After that I'm doing edges, and after edges we solving like same as 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I start always with white center. Here we go, we got first line. Let's go for another one. Okay. So we got second line, two more lines to go. And the first center will be done. Okay, one more line. And last one. I think now it's all good. And here we go. So we done first center. So now we done white. We're doing yellow, which is always opposite white color. We already have done yellow color. So we're doing for another one line. Of course we're trying don't broke it to white color when we're doing yellow. So two lines done. And to one more corner which is hiding over here. Okay, last line of yellow color. I mean yellow center. Over here. And the last yellow line is done to connect with yellow center. So far we done two centers, white and yellow. Next one, I'm going to make red one. We got first one. We got second line. And one more. Third line of red color. And now we doing last one of red colors. Okay, red is done. So we got 3 colors so far. Next I'm going to make blue. So I got first blue. Oops. We got second blue. Okay, one more line and next color, blue center, will be done. There you are. Yep. Where's one more? Here we go. It's here. Okay, 5 colors done. 2 last one, which is orange and green. 2 more colors and all centers will be done on cube 6 by 6. Okay then, so three pieces, 4 pieces. Okay then. Three more pieces. And 2 more pieces. So last piece and all centers going to be done. Yeah, so first step we done, which is all centers on 6 by 6 cube. Okay, next step is going to make edges. So we need to collect all same pieces, like 4 same pieces, each 12 edges. So first we got the white and green. So we're looking for white and green color. Where they are? I'm blind. Okay, we got 2 over here and 2 over there. So I show you what I mean. So watch out, we connect those pieces and we're making first edge. Okay, next one we're going to make white maybe and orange. How about that? White and orange. 2 more white and orange. Got the one over here. And I'm looking for last one, white and orange. What is hiding over here? And of course we try to not broke these centers, which we just made it. So they're still not broken. Okay, so far we got two edges, 2 of 12. We need 10 more to go. And now we're doing red and white. We're getting better and better. So if you're doing white, so we're doing white and blue. One more white and blue. Okay. So we got 4 edges done. It's mean 8 more to go. So next we're going to make maybe yellows. Yeah, why not? So yellows and red. We got the next one, yellow and red over here. And we're looking for last one, yellow and red, which is over there. So 5th edge, it's done. So next I'm going to be orange and blue because it's mostly done. And one more piece which is hiding over here. And there you are, next edge is done. Another one I'm going for orange, no, red and blue. How about that one? Yeah, it's a good idea. And one more piece red and blue, which we got over there. And we just put that over here. Yellow and blue, yellow and blue, it's easy to connect them now. It was really fast this time. And now on this stage we need to fix our middles or centers. So 8 edges done, all centers done, 4 more edges to go. So doing yellow and orange this time because it's most easy to finish, to solve. 3 more guys. Okay, now this way. Where is more orange and green? Over here. And 11th, no 10th edge, it's done. So 2 last edges. It will be a little bit difficult, 2 last edges, but not that difficult. Special algorithm for 2 last edges. Okay. And last piece, that piece need to go over here, and over that piece need to be over there. So we do that algorithm, and yeah, we're done, but we need to also do last edge. This is sometimes happen, and now going to be really difficult algorithm for it. But it's good, I guess, show you how is work that algorithm. So yeah, just watch. And here we go, all centers, all edges done. So from this point we're solving same as 3x3 cube. Maybe you will need one more algorithm to learn to solve that 4x4. So now we're making cross. So cross, it's done. Now we're making edges. So first edge done, So no, wrong place. Second edge done. Third done, and last one. So we done 2, 3, 4, 5 line. So we need to do just top level. Okay. What I did wrong, here we go. So we make cross, yellow cross. Now we need to do something, I just show you. All that edges need to be connected with color, like as here. Not like that one, not like this one, or not like this one. Okay, so we're looking as many is connect. So that's both, it's connect. So put that on right side. And okay, also it's special algorithm for it. And that should be all connected. No, not this time. Okay, so we all connect. Yellow cross with all edges. So last thing what we're doing is corners. So that corners need to be also on right place. So that is wrong, that is wrong, that is wrong. Every corner is wrong. So also we're doing another algorithm for it, which is really easy. And we're looking for, so that is correct, that is incorrect, that is incorrect, and that is incorrect. So we do one more time, same algorithm. And again. Okay, so correct, on right place, right place, right place, right place. So now in the end we're doing only sexy move to put that yellow on the right place. Do one more time. And here we go. After all, we solve 6x6 Rubik's Cube. So guys, that's how I solve 6x6 Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.